Alright, so I'm going to go over some whoops, actually. That's like the worst. So that takes both sides of the front simultaneously. And you can really tell how much better these shocks take. There's a couple of mild whoops in here. Nothing really severe, actually, but enough to shake you around a bit. See, right here, here's one. Yeah, that's a good one. Here's a little one. Little one, yeah. Right, here we go. Yeah, just really takes those knives. So usually really miserable. And this actually, so these new rough country struts, they're 2-inch level struts, and they made a big difference in how this handles whoops like that. You get them timed just right, usually you can really get it to slam, and this thing really damps nicely, you know, for what it is. I mean, it's not like this is not hardcore off-road suspension. This is the FX4 suspension with these rough country struts. Yeah, look at that. Doesn't like whack against the bottoms or anything. That's nice.